In a world bristling with digital possibilities, a digital marketing agency stands as a beacon, guiding businesses towards online success. Imagine a team of experts, tirelessly crafting strategies, optimizing websites, creating compelling content, and analyzing data. The goal? To elevate your online presence, driving traffic, generating leads, and ultimately converting visitors into loyal customers. It's not just about SEO or social media marketing. It's about a holistic approach, embracing everything from email marketing to influencer collaborations. Each project is unique, tailored to meet specific business needs and market dynamics. Success in the digital realm isn't accidental. It's a result of meticulous planning, execution, and ongoing refinement. It's the fruit of a digital marketing agency's labor, where creativity meets technology and dreams transform into tangible results. So step into the future with a digital marketing agency and watch your business soar in the online world. Loop back in a minute for more insights into the fascinating world of online marketing.